In this video, I'm going to teach you guys Korean with the main course lyrics from Fly to My Room by BTS. 떠나볼까? Okay, this is a question, and it comes from the verb 떠나다, which means leave. 떠나볼까? Should we leave or should I leave? 떠나볼까? 해 means do, and it's an informal way to tell someone to do something, like 해, do it, or 해 means I do it, or you do it. 해. Okay, now then how to say should I do it or should we do it? 해볼까? Should I do it? Or how about I do it? 해볼까? 가 is an informal way to say go. So it could be I go or you go or we go, she, he, she, they go. 가. Okay, then how to say should we go? Or how about we go? 가볼까? Should I go? 가볼까? Do you guys remember this word? 지금. It means now, as in right now. 지금. Okay, then how would you say, should I go now? 지금 가볼까? Okay, in Korean, usually time. So for example, now or later, yesterday, tomorrow, those are usually in the beginning of the sentence. 지금 가볼까? Should I go now? Or how about I go now? 지금 가볼까? 자 means sleep, and it's a verb, and it's informal way to say that someone is sleeping, or I'm sleeping, you're sleeping, he or she, they or we are sleeping. 자. Okay, then how to say, should I sleep? How about I sleep? 자볼까? Should we sleep? 자볼까? 먹어 means eat. Then how to say, should I eat? Or, you know what, how about I eat? 먹어볼까? Shall I eat? 먹어볼까? Okay, now then, how to say, should I eat now? Or how about we eat now? 지금 means now, so we could say, 지금 먹어볼까? How about we eat now? 지금 먹어볼까? 미쳐 means going crazy. 미쳐. Okay, now then how to say, should we go crazy? You know what? How about we go crazy? 미쳐볼까? Should we go crazy? 미쳐볼까? 채워 means fill it. 채워. Okay, then how to say, should I fill it? Or how about we fill it? 채워볼까? Should I fill it? 채워볼까? 어디든 means wherever. 어디든. Okay, then how do you say, should we go somewhere? Like, as in, should we go anywhere? Like, wherever, it doesn't matter where we go. Should we go somewhere? 어디든 가볼까? How about we go somewhere? 어디든 가볼까? Okay, now then how to say, how about we go somewhere now? 지금 어디든 가볼까? Should we go somewhere now? 지금 어디든 가볼까? 시선을 낮추고 어디든 막 zoom. 시선 means gaze and 을 is an object marker. 시선을 and 낮추고. 낮추 comes from the verb 낮추다, which means lower. And 고 is sort of like and. It's adding two sentences together. So 시선을 낮추고. So lower your or my or our gaze. 어디든, wherever. 막. Okay, 막 means without thinking, so carelessly. Zoom. So, or you could just think of it as like, just go. Just don't think about it. Just zoom. Just go. 시선을 낮추고 어디든 막 zoom. Okay, obviously this is an incomplete sentence in Korean, so let me make this to be a complete sentence. In order to do that, I need to add a verb at the end. Okay, so I will add the verb 가, which means go. So here, 시선을 낮추고 어디든 막 가. Okay, this now becomes a complete sentence. 지금 나와 means now come out. 지금 나와, come out now. Okay, then how to say now? Should we come out or should I come out? How about we come out now? 지금 나와 볼까? Now, should I come out? Should we come out now? 지금 나와 볼까? Okay, let's review. What does this mean? 떠나 볼까? 떠나 볼까? Let me fly to my. How about we leave? 떠나 볼까? Okay, and what does this mean? 시선을 낮추고 어디든 막 zoom. 시선을 낮추고 어디든 막 zoom. Lower your gaze and wherever, just go, just zoom. 시선을 낮추고 어디든 막 zoom. Okay, now what does this mean? 지금 나와. 지금 나와, let me fly to my. Now come out or come out now. 지금 나와. Okay, this main chorus part is repeated 6 times in the song Fly to My Room by BTS. So even if you don't understand the entire song, you can at least enjoy the song with this section. Bye bye everyone!